In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro templates. If you're looking to streamline your creative processes or simply want to organize your thoughts more effectively, using templates in Miro can be an invaluable tool. Miro offers a variety of templates that can enhance productivity and foster creativity. So let's get started with the process of accessing and utilizing these resources. First, ensure that you are on the Miro website. Open your preferred web browser and enter Miro's website URL. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home page and note the various options available to you. Next, look to the top right corner of the web page and you'll see the Login button. Click on it to proceed. This will bring you to the login page where you can access your personal Miro account. Miro offers several ways to log in, and for this tutorial, we suggest using the Google login option for the sake of convenience. Select the Google button and choose the Google account that is linked to your Miro profile. This method simplifies the process by linking your existing Google credentials with Miro, avoiding the need to remember another set of login details. After successfully logging in, you'll enter your Miro dashboard. From this interface, direct your attention to the options available on the right side. Click on Explore Templates. This will transport you to Miro's extensive library of templates designed for various purposes, from brainstorming and project planning to design and strategy sessions. Now, take some time to browse through the selection available. The browsing interface allows you to search for specific templates that suit your current needs. Be it a Kanban board, mind map, or a customer journey map, Miro provides categorized templates for nearly every scenario you can imagine. Once you have found a template that suits your needs, click on it. By clicking, you're not only viewing details about the template but also getting an overview of how it can enhance your project or help you better convey your ideas. After reviewing the details and deciding that this template is indeed what you need, focus your attention on the Use Template button. Clicking this button will initiate the process of transferring the template into your personal Miro workspace, ready for you to begin customizing and innovating immediately. Congratulations, you've effectively unlocked a powerful tool that can greatly benefit your project management and creative workflows. Experiment with different templates to find which ones resonate most with your working style. With time, you'll discover the versatility and value of incorporating templates into your regular Miro experience. Thank you for watching and happy exploring with Miro.